Hey guys, this is Josh from Trade Packaging, and in today's video I'm just going to show you how to use our new inquiry form. So this new inquiry form is going to make it a lot easier for you to submit an inquiry through to us. So let's get started. As you can see, I clicked PET bottles for an example. I like the look here of this 50ml PET Boston bottle. So if you guys click on the 50ml PET Boston bottle, for example, you'll be able to see that there's an area here with the product details. So we've got the weight, dimensions, brimful, capacity, the MOQ for clear it's 5,000, color it's 10,000, printing's available, as well as some sustainable options. As you can see, it's biodegradable and rPET for this particular bottle. Also got our spec sheets and print die line for this bottle available as well. So if you like the look of this bottle, all you need to do is click the inquire button and then fill out the details. So if you can see here, this is a made to order bottle. You can select which quantity you are after. So for example, 20,000, as well as more details about the design. So the bottle color, I'm going to click a Pantone color for this bottle, as well as the print options if you'd like it direct print. If so, how many different colors would you like it printed? I'm going to click 3 here. And would you like to add a foil print? I'll leave it blank for this one, don't want to add a foil print. Which sustainable option? So as you can remember before, there was biodegradable rPET. So I'll click biodegradable, and I do not need a closure for this bottle, so I won't select anything there. And then other requirements, it gives you a little bit of an area to add any more information about this bottle that you would like to add. Once you hit inquire now, it has not submitted yet, but it'll be added to your inquiry cart. So if you're finished and you want to submit inquiry, you can just click view inquiry cart, or that little area to the bottom left there to view inquiry cart. But I want to add a PET jar to this inquiry. So to make things easier, you can use the filters to the left. So there's an area for, if you want a round jar, select round. If there's a certain capacity you would like, you can adjust the capacity as well. So let's go 200ml and above for this particular job. Once you find a jar you like, so I'm going to click this 200ml amber PET jar here in the picture. Similar as before, you got the product details there, the weight, dimension, capacity, color. As you can see, you can do it in any color. If it's printable, the MOQ here is 5,000, and the sustainable options are biodegradable rPET, as well as the spec sheet right underneath there. So similar as before, let's fill out the details for the jar. So I'm going to order 5,000. I want the jar to be a clear color. I want a print on this jar as well. So let's say a 1 color print. I'd like to add a foil print for the logo, so I want to do a gold foil print as well. That's to make this jar rPET. And I also need a closure for this jar. So I'm going to select the smooth wool screw cap closure with a wad and induction foil seal. As well as closure color, I want that to be a Pantone color. And like before, you can leave some more requirements for this jar in the other requirements area. So once that is all done, you can click the inquire now button, and that has been added to your cart. So I want to check out with the cart, so I can select the view inquiry cart or at the bottom left. So once you click that, that will take you to view both your 50ml PET Boston bottle, which we filled out earlier, and then that 200ml PET jar, which we just filled out just then. Okay, just double check those details, make sure it's all correct. You can update it if it's not, but then down below is where you leave your details about yourself. So your company name, you can leave your contact name, your contact email, as well as your contact phone number. So once that is all filled out, you just got to answer a few more questions about, for example, how you heard about us and your current situation. So if you're a cosmetic brand, startup cosmetic brand, a manufacturer, pharmaceutical brand, as well as if it's a new product development or changing existing packaging, you can let us know your lead times. I'll put 12 to 16 weeks to allow for your pre-production samples. If you currently have a filler manufacturer, if you require artwork to be made for your packaging, your suburb and your postcode, you can put that down in there. Also tick I allow Trade Packaging to contact via email or phone. Once that's done and you hit the submit button, you'll be taken to a thank you page. Please allow about 24 to 48 hours for us to get in touch regarding your inquiry if you've got any other questions prior to quoting. Alternatively, there is a contact us page. You can reach out to us via phone, email, or submitting a form on our website. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.